My name is Matt Perrier,
And I'm Jennifer Perrier.
and we're building the Monroe 2H at Spring Hill at Forest Ridge. So our favorite part of the build process so far is just getting the ability to pick out a new house and all of the things that go in it for our new expanding family. We chose Shaw for a few reasons. One being the staff has been amazing. We've worked with Shannon for over 4 years, and she stayed with us through it all. So it made it easy to choose Shaw whenever we were able to make a final decision. So other builders, I feel like another thing with the warranty for the foundation, we felt like that was something that gave us the security to know that we're going to be protected as long as we're in our home. For anyone that's thinking about building with Shaw, I would tell you to really think about exactly what you want. This is your home, this is your dream home. Think of everything you want and make sure that at the end that you're happy with what you build and all the choices that you make.